Hello family, welcome back to another hair tutorial video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys another wonderful remedy that you will apply to your hair and your hair will never stop growing. Yes, because this will leave your hair super moisturized. This will take care of your dry scalp, itching scalp. Oh my word, this will leave your hair super moisturized, take care of the dryness, the itchiness, the flakiness, and it will result to massive hair growth. You definitely going to like this. This is a DIY that you are definitely going to try. It's a great treatment. After using this to moisturize your scalp, it's going to strengthen your hair follicles. Oh my god. And there will be no more breakage for you. You're going to enjoy being natural or being not natural. Is good. So let's get right into the video. If you're just seeing me for the very first time, please also join the family and turn on notifications so you will not miss out from any of our future upload. And if you like our video and you find it helpful, feel free to share my videos, and God bless you all. In today's tutorial we're going to be needing, first thing first, aloe vera. So this, I want to show it to you guys. That's why I left it like this. I have bought this aloe vera over 1 month now. What I did was to get a garbage bag like this and just wrap it and leave it in my fridge. Look at that, guys. This is the best method ever to preserve your aloe vera. Did you hear me? I said 1 month. Look at it. Fresh. First thing we're going to do, just going to go ahead and take out this part. Take out the tip. That is not needed. Then I am not going to be finishing this whole aloe vera for this hair, so I'll take the quantity that I'm going to be needing, just like this. Just go ahead, take out the rough edges, cut it like this into chunks. Cut it into chunks. Get a bowl of water and place them in. Now that it has rested enough, just going to go ahead, bring them out from the water. Just in case you are the type that normally reacts, your skin or body normally reacts to aloe vera, or it causes you any itchiness in your skin. So once you put it in the water like that, it helps cleanse it and also keep it calm. So aloe vera contains vitamin A, D and C, even vitamin B12. Aloe vera have antioxidants that help prevent hair breakage. Aloe vera is very good for our skin. Aloe vera helps moisturize our hair, resulting to great hair growth. It prevents itching, it prevents dry scalp, it reduces dandruff, it conditions our hair very well. Aloe vera has some good enzymes which really help repair our dead skin cell on the scalp. So what is there not to like about aloe vera? It also helps in balancing our natural HP. After I'm done scraping it out like this, I'm going to go ahead like this, pour it in a blender, then go ahead and go blend it. I'll see you guys when I'm done blending. Here we are, we're done blending, so I'm just going to go ahead, open it, get any net that you like, put a funnel in it, then put a bowl and pour everything inside like that, then strain it out. Pour this out into your spray bottle. Now that we're done, boom, bring our almighty hair mask. This is a Shea Moisture Jamaica Black Castle Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. Like, this mask can do wonders. I am not even joking. So you're gonna need 1 spoon like this, then 2. Let's just use 3 like that. It's better is enough than is not enough. Boom, 4. If you heap it all the way, like 1, so that's just like 2 heap of spoon. Then boom, we're gonna add, this is the white growth oil, so just gonna go ahead like that, add 1 spoon. Then this is the TGIN Miracle Repair Anti-Breakage Serum. We're just gonna go ahead, pump in like that, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that. If you don't have all this oil, go ahead, you can use coconut oil, avocado oil, any oil of your choice. This is the Jamaica Mango and Lime oil. Let's go ahead like that. So that's just one spoon. This is the Jamaica mango and lime black castor oil that has vitamin A, D and E. Did you see that? It has vitamin A, D and E in it. So we just go ahead like that and add 1 tablespoon. Now that we're done with all this mixture, we'll just push them aside. Then we're going to add this Veggie hair fertilizer. Did you see that? Open it up. If you don't have Veggie hair fertilizer, you can omit this. Then just press like that. Let's just say 1 tablespoon. Boom. Add it up. Then we're going to give it a good stir. Oh my God, guys. This will leave your hair. To leave your hair growing like a palm tree, then let's stir. Look at that. So now that we are done stirring, this is where the boss comes in. Aloe vera. And go ahead and pour in your aloe vera like that. We're going to leave some for future use. Did you see that? We pour in our aloe vera. Then go ahead, give it a good mix. Oh my word, look at that. It smells so good. The smell is heavenly. It smells like ice cream, guys. It smells so good. Then now that we're done giving it a good stir, it's time for us to apply this yummy combo on our hair. And our hair will experience massive growth, unstoppable growth, forever young growth. Apply this on your hair, guys, and you will never ever experience itchy scalp, dry scalp, falling hair. Never again. So let's get right into the application. It's time for us to apply it on my daughter's hair. So first thing first, I'm going to take out her hairband like that. Then I'm going to go ahead. You see all the aloe vera that we scoop out. I'm going to go ahead and use it to massage her scalp.
It's so cool, Mommy. I like it.
Okay, it's good that you like it. So I'm going to go ahead and use this aloe vera like this to massage her scalp. It's always very good for you to massage your scalp, because massaging your scalp will result to blood circulation to your scalp. Then it will promote hair growth. So go ahead, rub it in like that.
I'm not in crying, Mommy.
Yeah, you're not supposed to be crying. You're a big girl now.
That's why my mom's so funny.
See, I'm patting it in session.
Ooh,
Then
so
go ahead
cool.
like this. Rub it in. Who would love aloe vera? It makes your hair feel so good. Leave your hair super moisturized. It's even good for your face. Aloe vera is the bomb.com. Rub it in the tip. You must never forget about your tip. The tip of your head needs to be pampered too. So this is where our spray bottle, this is our aloe vera water. This is where it comes in handy for a hair spray like that. Oh.
Whoa, you made the best.
Sorry, buddy.
Well, I like when you spray it.
You like when I spray it?
Yes.
Okay.
It's so cool, Mommy.
Alright. Look at that. Her hair is already detangled. Oh my word. I love aloe vera. If you are not started adding aloe vera to your hair remedy, guys, oh my god, what are you doing? Aloe vera have a great way of transforming your hair. Look at that. Already fully detangled.
It smells so good, Mommy.
Yeah, you like it. So now that we are done with the aloe vera spray, we're gonna go ahead again.
What a funny mom. Mom, you're so funny.
Kayla is 2. She's just 2 years old, guys. And this is her hair. So now we just go ahead, section the hair out like that. 1 part, then you clip it out. So now real quick, we just go ahead like that. So apply it to her hair.
So warm, Mommy.
Yeah. Wow. This is my favorite. Ooh, oh my my gosh. Look at that. This is hair food. Food for the hair.
No, it's not food for the hair.
And you know, whenever I'm doing their hair treatment, I always go ahead to finger detangle it. Then apply it to the second part.
So ticklish.
You love it, right?
Yeah.
It detangles with ease. Then massage it all the way. Make sure you extend the love to the tip. This is hair food. Hair love it. As soon as you apply it to the hair will just respond. Say, oh my darling, where have you been? Oh my God. Yeah, so good, girl.
You like it.
You even like it, you see? Massage all the way. See? She feels the love on her scalp. Who doesn't love a hair massage?
Well, I like it.
I know, right?
It's making me like too good.
So now, keep this one aside. I'm now going to go ahead to the very first one that we started with. Open it up, split it into two. You can, if your hair is very thick, like my first daughter's hair, you know what to do. You can split it into 6. Now, just split. Look at that with ease. Give it a comb. Comb it through. Comb it through. Comb it through. Comb it through. You see? With ease. If I'm lying, you see that I'm struggling. You see? It's just gliding through. That is why I call it food for the hair. Now that we are done, we're just going to go ahead and cut the hair anyhow we like. It's all detangled, guys. Look at that. I'm just going to intentionally leave this on her hair overnight. If not, this is so perfect. We are already done. Look at that smoothness. So I put it in a manly kind of like that, or put in a twist. Whatever helps you sleep at night. And you twist the tip. Okay, family, we are done packing it like that. Just gonna go ahead and wear this for her. And now, boom, wear this on it. Oh, it's wearing like a princess. Oh, it's wearing like a... Give me my kiss back. Give me my kiss back. Give me my kiss. You're so cute, Bobo. So now, tell them we'll see them tomorrow.
We'll see them tomorrow.
What did we see them tomorrow? We'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, fam. Welcome back to the next day. Kayla just woke up and I'm about to take out the cat. She slept. She slept like this. Look at that. Let's check. This product, you're not going to wash it out. All you're going to do is rinse it off. You cannot go and start putting soap and start washing it out. You just have to rinse it off. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. You can do this for your hair that is super stubborn, that don't want to retain moisture. Do it and it will shock you. Look at that. Look at the length check. See? Natural hair always shrink. So all the way here. See that? So we are just going to go ahead and rinse it out, and this brings the video to an end. Thank you so much for watching. We love you just the way you love us. Peace. Yeah. I'm not going to just rinse it like this. I'll put in a twist out to rinse it. That's how I'm going to do it. Bye.